Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. And today guys, I'll be showing you how you unpublish your Wix website. If for some reason you want your site unpublished, then today I'll be showing you how to do it in a quick and easy way. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Wix.com website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, then create a new account, and after logging in and creating a new site, you'll be greeted by this dashboard of your site. So this is the official dashboard where we can see our site. And now guys, if we want to publish our site, we have to do the following. Go to the left side of the screen, and as you can see, there are a lot of options here. We want to go and find the last option, the almost last option, which is called settings. So guys, go ahead and click on this option right here called settings. As you can see here guys, now this is brought up the settings option where we can enter what settings we want to edit. So we want to go ahead and click on the second option right here, which is called website settings. So guys, go ahead and click on website settings, and now this will open up this new page where you can edit your site name and so on so on. So guys, you can see here it says at the top of the screen, it says site is published. So currently our site is published. So guys, if we want to go ahead and unpublish our site, all we have to do is go ahead and click this button right here called unpublish on the right side of the screen. Clicking that, you will just click on confirm that you want to unpublish it, and after clicking this button, your site will now be unpublished. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.